AI 3D designs for custom laser-engraved pet accessories. Place MDF on the platform. Press the autofocus button to obtain the optimal focal length. Visit this URL, firefly.adobe.com. Create a description for AI content generation. Select image to save. Set the laser parameters. Press the Start button to begin the processing. Laser engraving in progress. GCC laser engraving technology can be applied to personalize pet products such as custom pet collars, name tags, pet portraits, coasters, and more, bringing a unique and heartfelt touch for your cats and dogs. Clean the burnt grease from the wood with water. Sample is completed.